You know what's BS? I can't say that word in the beginning of the videos anymore. But you know what's also BS? Better create.
What's the point? Like, really now? Why do I have to match the
Color off the just to create a better.
We didn't have this problem back then.
What's the deal with color? Do they think it looks cleaner? Like color are tacky? Like somebody thought it would be a good idea to
Put that in a game!
What's next? You have to match the colors off the wood and to create a better. Oh no, don't give them any ideas. I will never understand why minimalism is so appealing on a better, especially at the expense of function. Does anyone think this is cool? Like, oh yeah, look how smooth and attractive my bed is. It does more with less. It helps harness my mellow. It sparks joy, man. Isn't that impressive and cool? Well, forgive my cranky aging ass, but I'm a stuff-loving, bed-mashing man. I like my damn bed. Oh, jeez. Are doors gonna be next? Imagine you have to match the colors off the wood. Oh.
Anyway.
Well, I hope you're proud of yourselves. Great magic trick. Now can you turn back? Because that's BS!